Hey guys, welcome to Tactum channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to cancel sent request on Facebook. So let's go to Facebook first. After logging to Facebook account, go to your request option, friend request. This is all of your friend requests. See all. Then you will find all of your friends who sent you request. But how can you cancel what you have sent from you? Click on this, see all. Now you'll find here view sent request, which is highlighted here. This one. Click on this. Now you can cancel all of the friend requests here. Just cancel request, cancel, cancel. Like this you can cancel friend request on Facebook. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.